Hey there, future robot builders. Are you ready to dive into the fascinating world of robotics? Have you ever wondered what makes robots tick? What kind of magic happens inside these incredible machines? I mean, they're like the coolest machines ever. They can do so many amazing things that seem almost impossible. They can explore dangerous places, build things with super precision, and even play your favorite tunes, all while looking super awesome. Imagine a robot helping astronauts in space or diving deep into the ocean. But have you ever stopped to think about what goes into making these mechanical marvels? What kind of engineering and creativity is involved? What's hiding beneath their shiny exteriors? Let's uncover the secrets together. Well, get ready to blast off on a fun-filled adventure as we explore the amazing world of robots, from their incredible insides to their mind-blowing abilities. You'll be amazed at what we discover. We're talking nuts, bolts, wires, and gizmos galore. Every piece plays a crucial role in making the robot function. We'll unlock the secrets behind their incredible abilities and discover how these amazing machines are changing the world around us. From performing surgeries to driving cars, robots are everywhere. Get ready to unleash your inner engineer, because we're about to dive headfirst into the exciting world of robot anatomy. Let's get started and see what makes these robots so extraordinary. Fasten your seatbelts and get ready for a wild ride, because we're about to embark on an epic adventure into the heart of robotics. But first, let's take the time to do some shout-outs to our friends at home. Hi from Tester, Evaluator, and Grand Pop, to Sean, Laura, Ali, Abbas, Malik, Amal, Lena, Noor, and Gamila. We hope you are as excited about robotics as we are. A second shout-out goes to Andrea, Diego, Isabella, Anna, Kelly, Fernando, Gail, and Zoe. We also want to send a shout-out to all of the kids, parents, and grandparents who have been affected by the terrible storms and other natural disasters that have hit in 2024. Our thoughts and hearts are with you. All right, robot enthusiasts. Imagine a rock band. You've got your lead singer, your guitarist, and your drummer, right? Well, robots have their own awesome trio: sensors, motors, and controllers. These three amigos work together like a well-oiled machine to make robots move, groove, and do their thing. First up, we've got the eyes and ears of the robot world, sensors. These clever gadgets help robots sense their surroundings, just like how we use our senses to experience the world. Next, we've got the muscle behind every robotic move, motors. These powerhouses provide the energy for robots to move, shake, and even break dance if they're feeling fancy. And last but not least, we have the brains of the operation, controllers. These techie masterminds tell the robot what to do, like a conductor leading an orchestra of awesome.
Let's talk about sensors, the super senses of the robot world. Imagine having eyes that can see in the dark, ears that can hear a pin drop a mile away, or even a nose that can sniff out a delicious pizza from across town. Well, robots have sensors that can do all that and more. These sensors allow robots to interact with their environment and make decisions based on what they perceive. For example, a robot vacuum cleaner uses sensors to avoid bumping into furniture, or it has sensors that feel when it has bumped into the furniture. In either case, a signal is then sent to the controller, so it can send new signals to the motors on the wheels to turn the robot vacuum so it no longer bumps into the furniture. It may also register in its memory that it bumped into something at that spot, making a virtual map of the area so it can avoid that item in the future. Amazing, huh? While a self-driving car may rely on visual sensors to stay in its lane and avoid obstacles, it may also use IR or infrared sensors to detect the heat signature of people or animals to avoid running into living things. There are many different types of sensors. What is used is application dependent. Some examples are pressure sensors, heat sensors, IR sensors, speed sensors, and voltage sensors. Pretty cool, huh?
Section 3, motors, the muscles of the machine. Now let's talk about motors, the muscle behind every robot's moves. These powerful components provide the force and energy needed for robots to strut their stuff. Think of motors as the engines that power robots to move their arms, legs, or even their entire bodies. Just like how our muscles help us run, jump, and dance, motors enable robots to perform a wide range of actions. From the tiny motors that power miniature robots to the massive motors that drive industrial robots, these mechanical marvels are the driving force behind countless robotic feats. The size, type, amperage, and voltage of the motors used depends on exactly what that part of the robot is expected to do. The motor may also interface in many different ways with its part of the robot. It may use gears to step up or down the degree of motion, or sensors that determine the pressure needed, or when the motor should speed up, slow down, or stop.
Section 1. Controllers. The brains behind the bots. All right, robot fans, time to meet the brains of the operation. Controllers. These are the unsung heroes that make robots come to life. These techie wonders are like the robot's personal computer, telling it what to do and when to do it. Without them, robots would just be lifeless hunks of metal and plastic. Think of it like this. Your brain tells your body to reach for that slice of pizza, right? It's a seamless process that happens in a split second. Well, the controller is like the robot's brain, sending signals to its motors and sensors to make it move and groove. It's the command center that orchestrates every action. These controllers come in all shapes and sizes, from tiny microchips to powerful computers. Each one is designed for a specific type of robot and task. They're programmed with instructions that tell the robot how to respond to different situations, like a set of super detailed instructions. This programming is crucial for the robot's functionality. So, whether it's following a line, sorting objects, or even playing a mean game of air hockey, the controller is the mastermind behind it all. It's the genius that makes robots smart and capable.
Section 2. Sensors in action. From seeing to feeling. Remember those awesome sensors we talked about? Let's see them in action. Imagine a robot playing hide and seek. It uses its eyes or cameras to scan the room and spot its hiding friends. Or picture a robot artist using its touch or pressure sensors to create a masterpiece with the perfect brush strokes. Just like our senses help us navigate the world, robot sensors give them a way to interact with their surroundings. Some robots even have noses that can smell gas leaks or ears that can hear sounds too high-pitched for humans. Talk about super senses.
Section 3, Motor Mania, getting things moving and grooving. Hold on to your hats because it's Motor Mania time. We're talking wheels, gears, and all sorts of cool contraptions that make robots move. Think of motors like the muscles in your body. They provide the power for every twist, turn, and dance move. Some robots use wheels to zoom around like tiny race cars, while others have legs that let them walk, jump, and even climb stairs. And don't forget about robotic arms, powered by motors that allow them to lift heavy objects, assemble delicate parts, and even give high fives. It's all thanks to the amazing power of motors.
Section 1. Special robots. Superpowers. Hey there, robot builders. We've covered the basics. Sensors, motors, controllers. The real MVPs of the robot world. But guess what? Things are about to get even cooler, just like superheroes have their unique gadgets and gizmos. Special robots need extra special parts to do their extraordinary jobs. Imagine a robot chef with multiple arms, each equipped with a different tool for chopping, stirring, and flipping pancakes. Or a robot explorer with all-terrain treads, ready to conquer mountains and explore underwater caves. These specialized robots need special parts to unleash their full potential. And that's what we're diving into today. Get ready for a wild ride through the world of robot superpowers.
Section 2. Grippers lending robots a helping hand. Let's talk about grippers, the helping hands of the robot world. Imagine a robot being used to add sugar cubes to coffee or tea. It needs a steady grip to pick up those sugar cubes and just the right amount of force to pick them up without crushing them, right? That's where grippers come in. These clever contraptions act like robot fingers, allowing them to grasp, hold, and manipulate objects with amazing precision. From delicate robotic surgeons to heavy-duty construction robots, grippers come in all shapes and sizes, each designed for specific tasks. Some grippers resemble claws, perfect for grabbing large, bulky objects, while others use suction cups to gently lift fragile items. There are even magnetic grippers for handling metal parts. Talk about a firm handshake.
Section 3. Wheels and Beyond. Robots on the move. Get ready to roll, robot enthusiasts, because we're talking about wheels and other awesome ways robots get around. Just like we use cars, bikes, and even our own 2 feet to move from place to place, robots rely on different methods of locomotion to navigate their surroundings. Wheels are a classic choice for robots, providing smooth, efficient movement on flat surfaces. But for robots venturing off the beaten path, things get a little more exciting. Imagine robots with tank treads conquering mountains, robots with propellers soaring through the air, or even robots with multiple legs walking and jumping like futuristic creatures. The possibilities for robot movement are as limitless as our imaginations.
Section 1. Robot Builders. It's not just science fiction. Alright, robot fans, here's a question that might be swirling in your brilliant brains. Who gets to build these awesome robots? Is it just geniuses with crazy hair and lab coats? Nope. While those scientists are super cool, the truth is, anyone can build a robot, even you. Building robots isn't about being a rocket scientist. It's about imagination, curiosity, and a passion for creating something amazing. You don't need a fancy laboratory or a degree in robotics to get started. Just a dash of creativity and a sprinkle of "I want to build that" spirit. So ditch the idea that robots are only built by super smart adults. It's time to show the world what young inventors are truly capable of. Ready to unleash your inner engineer and build your very first robot? It's easier than you might think. You can start with simple robot kits that come with all the parts you need and easy-to-follow instructions. It's like building with supercharged Legos. Or if you're feeling extra adventurous, you can even try building a robot from scratch using everyday materials like cardboard, craft sticks, and even old toys. The key is to start small, have fun, and don't be afraid to experiment. Remember, even the most amazing robots started as an idea in someone's head. Also, the first inventors used string or wire combined with springs, weights, or even water to cause their inventions to take actions. So be creative and use what you have available. Just be careful and have an adult around to provide guidance so you don't use something mum or dad will need later.
Here's the thing about robotics. It's not just about building machines. It's about building the future. From robots that help doctors perform surgeries with incredible precision to robots that explore the depths of our oceans, the possibilities are truly endless. So, keep dreaming big, keep asking questions, and never stop building. The world needs more curious minds like yours to design the robots of tomorrow. Who knows? Maybe your robot will be the one that changes the world. Wow, we've covered a lot of ground today, from sensors that see to motors that move, and everything in between. We've explored the amazing world of robot parts, understanding how each component plays a crucial role in bringing a robot to life. We've learned how they work together in harmony to perform complex tasks, and discovered that anyone, yes, even you, can build incredible robots. Remember those special robots we talked about, the ones with unique skills and superpowers? These robots can do things we once thought were impossible. Well, guess what? You're the next generation of robot builders, the ones who will create the robots of tomorrow. The future is wide open, bursting with possibilities. Maybe you'll invent a robot that cleans your room with the push of a button. Wouldn't that be awesome? Or a robot that helps doctors cure diseases. Imagine a world where robots assist in every aspect of our lives, making things easier and more efficient. The power to shape the future is in your hands, and it all starts with a single spark of curiosity and a passion for building something amazing. So keep dreaming, keep building, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The world is waiting for your incredible creations. You are the robot revolution. So, what are you waiting for? Grab some cardboard, raid the recycling bin, and let your imagination run wild. Don't be afraid to experiment, to make mistakes, and most importantly, to have fun. Building robots isn't just about wires and circuits. It's about problem solving, creativity, and bringing your wildest ideas to life. Remember, every single robot you see today, from the simplest toy to the most complex machine, started with an idea that someone dared to dream and then dared to build. So, keep on building, keep on dreaming, and never underestimate the power of your imagination. If you watched Wise Hooter Learning, No Spaces, other robot video, you know that Grandpop has a son who is a robotics engineer. His son started by working on mechanical and building projects. He learned to repair things and did many other jobs before he decided to get into robotics. But he actually built his first robot when he was just a kid. It wasn't fancy, but it could walk, well, crawl, and had lights that flashed. He also built a model rocket using what he could find. It was really cool. So even if you don't think right now that you want to work in a robot career field, go ahead and, in some small way, get involved in robotics. You just never know what you will end up wanting to do later. And the more you learn now, the better you will be prepared for the big decisions later on. Tester, evaluator, and Grandpop wish you tons of fun on your learning journey. The world of robotics is waiting for you. Go out there and make it your own.